They save you small bits of time that add up. They bring comfort and control over your space you quickly appreciate. Some even cut your energy bills without thinking about it. Many only need your smartphone and your home Wi-Fi to work. Start with one device, build at your own pace, and create a system tailored to you. The core principle for 2026 is simplicity. Gone are the days of an expensive hub for every device. Hubs still have uses for power users, but most beginner gear connects directly to Wi-Fi and is controlled through clean smartphone apps. Many work seamlessly with the voice assistants you already use: Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri. This guide is your starting point, a clear no-hassle roadmap to adding intelligence to your home, one simple, effective device at a time. Let's start with the classic entry point, the smart light bulb. It is just a light bulb you can control wirelessly. Instead of being limited to a wall switch, use your phone to turn it on or off, or your voice, dim it to the perfect brightness or change its color. A tiny change to a familiar object has a big impact. Automation and ambiance are the why. Lights can turn on at sunset, dim for bedtime, or brighten like a sunrise. You can double check from anywhere or turn on a light for a guest before they arrive. Setup is simple. Screw it in, power on, and pair in the app. Give it a clear name. Choose a Wi-Fi bulb compatible with your voice assistant. Full color is fun. Tunable white is practical. Next up, the most versatile, underrated device, the smart plug. It is a small adapter for any standard outlet. You plug in a simple device like a fan, coffee maker, or lamp. The plug becomes a remote gatekeeper for power. Control it from your phone or with your voice. Schedule coffee for 7 so it is ready when you wake. Run a fan during the warmest hours. Automate holiday lights at dusk and shut off at midnight.